March 17, 2025, day 33 of Fluff to Fit. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I can't think of a better way as one of the ways to getting to my 10K plus steps today, but to be in the greenery, be here with Mother Earth, Malama Aina, and this afternoon, I'm gonna be weeding. There's a lot of weeds. And so I thought, yeah, this is the perfect way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Wishing you a happy St. Patrick's Day. What are you doing on this St. Patty's Day to move your body? I'm very curious. Go out there, be your radiant selves. Looking forward to hearing what you're up to. And again, keep moving your body. And a hui ho for now.